Dog care tips and tricks from canine specialists. Owning a dog can bring a lot of happiness to your life, but that is not true of every dog. You'll need to know a few things if you want to have fun with your dog. Keep watching for some helpful advice on becoming a great dog owner. Whenever you travel with your pet, don't skimp on the packing. Of course, you need to be well supplied with his food, water, and any medications he may be on, but experts advise that you also bring his grooming supplies, vaccination paperwork, tags, and an extra leash. Also, bring a flat sheet for when your dog will be on hotel furniture. If you notice your dog gets dry skin in the winter, you probably need to brush him or her more often. Doing so will get rid of old fur and help get their oil glands working properly. Try brushing once in the morning and once in the evening to see if it makes a difference for your pet. If your dog is still getting used to the grooming process, only work with him or her in short bursts. Groom for about 5 minutes and then stop and move on to another activity. Eventually, start adding on 2 or 3 minutes to your total grooming time until your pet is able to handle a full session. Check with your vet to determine the amount of food to feed your dog daily. The amounts on the label might not apply in your dog's situation. Speak with a vet about your dog's needs and what they should have. There are various techniques to follow when caring for your dog. There is more to it than just choosing the cutest puppy. It takes some effort on your part. Use the information obtained here to enjoy your pet more and make him feel like part of the family. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.